Good morning, everyone. This is part 2 of my vlog. I'm in the process of making myself some breakfast, and I always get a lot of questions on what do I have for breakfast. Well, this morning I will be eating some oatmeal with some banana. So once that is done, I will show you what my food looks like, because after that I will be getting myself ready because my daughter has a dental appointment today. I don't have no teapot, as you can see right there. I have to boil my water in a pot. I may purchase a teapot. Yeah, I didn't realize I threw away so much stuff that I could still been using, but y'all know how it is when you move. But yeah, so once I make my breakfast, I will get back on here and share with you all my breakfast. Okay, y'all, I made it to my daughter's dentist appointment, and I'm outside. It's a little hot because we can't go inside. So, sitting out in my car, I don't really want to run my air because I don't know how long she's going to be in there. I am kind of sitting in the shade, but I am going to blot really quick. Because normally you are allowed to, of course I'm allowed to sit inside. And then, wait for her inside where it's air. But I can't. So by the time we go home, hopefully my HelloFresh will be at my door. Fingers crossed. Because sometimes my UPS man come on time and sometimes he come late. So hopefully it's it'll be there by the time we get back. Is she looking for me? Yeah, so I guess there's really nothing to say. I'll probably go and edit some pictures, and I will see y'all when I get home because it's hot. Okay, y'all, we just made it back from my daughter's dental appointment, and guess what was at the door waiting for us? Oh, God. Yes, our HelloFresh box. It was not sponsored, but y'all know here on my channel I like to share, things that's good. So I'm gonna leave a coupon link down below if y'all want to click my link to save on your very first HelloFresh box. Of course, y'all know I didn't pay full price. I know for HelloFresh they gave me like a link that I can share with friends where they can save off of their first HelloFresh, and then I can get something in return. But you don't have to click on my link, you all, but I'm just letting you know it's down below just in case you want to check out HelloFresh. I got HelloFresh is because I sometimes run out of things to cook, and I know I can go online and look up recipes and stuff, but with HelloFresh it does it all for you. We did 3 meals. We were able to pick our meals, and since my daughter is allergic to seafood, I couldn't get none of the seafood meals. I just got, I picked the meat and vegetable meal. So I'm gonna show you what came in my particular box. And if y'all didn't know, this box your food can stay in this box for up to 24 hours. Like, let's just say you at work or you may not be home and your box sit outside for a few hours, it'll be fine because like I said, it can last in this box for up to 24 hours. Ooh, it's hot. So here are the meals, and I'm going to show you. We have the barbecue pork and apple meat lovers, we have this here. And on the back, well, right here, it shows you all the ingredients that it comes with. And then on the back, it shows you how to prepare it. You would get this in every HelloFresh box. The steakhouse pork chops, I got that. Sorry, because I'm gonna let my daughter pick what she want to eat for dinner tonight. And then we got these here beef meatballs with carrots, rice, and sriracha. And then you all, here is the inside of the packaging. Let me see if I can turn it around. So here is the inside of the packaging. What comes with like a cold thermal thing. It comes in like brown paper bags. So this here is the steakhouse pork chop meal, and it says it right here on the bag. This here is the barbecue pork meat lovers. How everything is individually packed. And then this here is the beef meatballs. So I guess at the bottom comes with ice packs. I'm gonna save these here ice packs because I can use these for like coolers. Use with your meat. This here is the ground pork, beef, and the boneless pork chops. And if I didn't mention, this here HelloFresh meal is for a 2-person meal. You can get it for a family size, but I just got it for a 2-person meal. The packaging was outstanding. Like everything was packaged very well. Now I'm looking, I'm not sure if I'll be able to say these because I probably won't have no room in my freezer. Forgetting I don't have a deep freezer like I used to. So which one you want to cook? Okay, so my daughter picked the pork, the barbecue pork and meat lovers. So I'm not going to show how I cook it. What I'm going to do is, once I complete the whole process of making it, I'm going to show you the after. I'm going to show you after I'm finished everything. And then I'm going to also try it on camera to let y'all know if it's worth you even buying. But so far, so good. So, okay, so I got to figure out how to make this. So like I said, here are the directions and everything is explained step by step. So long as you follow the steps, you should be fine. So let me go ahead and cook, because what is it? It's almost 3:30, and get started on dinner. I probably can keep the meat out, I guess, instead of freezing it, because I will be cooking these within. Since I know which one I'm gonna cook, I'm gonna open the bag just so I can show you what it looks like. Of course, my daughter wants the one that has the most stuff. So I'm gonna show you what comes in the bag. So you get your green beans. Yo, they ain't never lie when they say this is a 2-person meal, because I make more green beans than this. But yeah, here's the green beans. You got your barbecue sauce. Oh wow, what's this? You got an apple. I don't know what this apple's for, but we're gonna find out. Also have some plinko wheat. We also have some chili peppers, or chili powder. Then we also have some sour cream. And what is this? This is fried seasoning, 1 tablespoon. This here is paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. So you have everything you need. You don't even need to touch nothing in your refrigerator. I mean, in your cabinets. I guess this is garlic. And in the bottom you have your potatoes. And let me go ahead and move everything out the way and get the cooking. I may show a little bit of clip. I may show some clips of me preparing the food or whatever. So just make sure you stay tuned so you can see what I ended up showing you all. What I ended up. Okay, so here is the ground pork. this is what we need for tonight's dinner. Here are 2 items I'm gonna place in the refrigerator. So I'll put them in the refrigerator and I'm gonna start cooking dinner. Okay, so it's saying for me to adjust rectangular position. It's saying for me to mix the plinko. So I have to mix this here in a bowl. And then step 2 is saying to dice the potatoes into 1.5 inches. Telling me to mix this here in a bowl. And then next is telling me to cut up my potatoes. All right, let's see. Whew, y'all. I just got finished doing everything. Now this is my first time doing this, so I did mess up. As far as the chili powder, I was supposed to use some for the meat and then also some for the barbecue sauce. Instructions is alright, like I don't know. This was my first time, y'all, so my second time I'ma really pay more attention because I did just come in the house, then we hungry. I was trying to hurry up, so that probably was my fault. Me off is with the apple. They asked for you to grate half of the apple. When I did it, I don't know if my grate wasn't big enough, like the thing where you grate cheese and all of that. I don't know what, but it didn't come out. Like, I wish they would have shown the picture how the apple's supposed to look, because as you can see, they don't show a picture of how the apples look. So it looked like I was making applesauce, y'all. I did dry it with a paper towel, and then I did use some of the apples. It's not one of them meals like you can come home and just throw it together real quick. You probably can, like you have to really read it. Like I said, the apples threw me off because, again, I wish they would have had a picture of the apple on how the apple's supposed to look, because I wasn't sure how the apple's supposed to look. And then I'm thinking that's probably apple chunks in this here mashed potatoes, I guess. Everything is cooking, so fingers crossed it tastes good, you all. Just wanted to get on here and kind of update y'all really quick on what's going on. I had to take a break, y'all. I'm tired. I am so tired. So the last part is being cooked. The meat and the string beans, the green beans. So
sad. You gotta lighten up.
I know I'm tired. But yeah, I'm tired, you all. My daughter said, you sound sad. I'm not sad, I'm just tired. It's hot. I'm just tired. I got up really early today. So I'm gonna go and check everything. So next I have to mash the potatoes, and the meat is still cooking. So next time you see me, it will be when everything is completely done. So here is the finished meal. So now what I'm going to do is taste it with you all. Just wanted to share. That's the pork, mashed potatoes, and string beans, and I'm gonna show you the picture one more time. It looks kind of like the picture. It smells good. But yeah, it's good. What did you try? It's not salty. The edge slayer, show the edges. Go on, girl, go on the other side. She the edge slayer. Ooh, look at her. I told y'all she laid some edges, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I showed y'all the finished product. So now I'm getting ready to taste it. My daughter said it's good. So I finally got a chance to sit down. So before I eat, I'm gonna bless my food, and I always bless my own food. It doesn't matter who food, I bless my food. Lord, bless this food I'm about to eat. In Jesus' name, amen. All right, you all. So here's the food one more time. I'm gonna try the meat first. Mmm. 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 Do a dance. Anytime I do a dance, that means it's good, y'all. Mmm. It's good. You already know pork is flavorful anyway. Mmm. This is really good. I'm gonna go ahead and in this here vlog, I will leave all the details on this here HelloFresh situation down below. Or if you do sign up, if you can get these particular meals that I have, because I'm new to HelloFresh, so each week I did notice they do change their menus. So again, if you do decide to sign up, I don't know, you know, what week they, you know, what they may have on that particular week. For next week, it had like a totally different menu. Stick with HelloFresh, but for now, so far so good. My HelloFresh tomorrow. And the good thing about HelloFresh, you don't have to worry about having leftovers, because clearly this is more than enough for myself and my daughter. Tomorrow, we're gonna make another HelloFresh. And I may just insert clips of me cooking, because tomorrow I'm gonna really pay attention. With that being said, if y'all like these types of videos, give this video a big thumbs up, because it helps on my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell, so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. Until next time, I will talk to y'all later.